Hi and welcome. In today's video we'll be testing the speaker of Samsung Galaxy A52. So let's get started. We'll be of course doing that. I'm using the music. So first let's go to YouTube and choose like a random music. Let's go with Together. So as we can hear, the speaker is indeed working. We can adjust volume levels to see how it sounds on lower levels, on the middle levels, and on the high levels. So as you can see, the speaker on Samsung Galaxy A52 is working like a charm. And I guess that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.